In this video if you will be offended by legal pest control activities. Rats and other pest species must be controlled due to risks of diseases being passed on to humans and damage to infrastructure. This channel will be an educational resource on how to humanely dispatch rats using air rifles, night vision and thermal technologies to remove the rat infestations. Hello, welcome back to Vermin Control Scotland. So again, it's rats and a lot of them. This particular site has had many visits, and it's not just the use of air rifles. We do use other control measures. We do use 410 shotguns to take care of number of rats at one time, and we also use conventional controls down to trapping and rodenticide. So we'll give an introduction to the stuff that we're using. We're using the Airmaks Krait L in 2.2, and on top of it, it's the hikmirco ALPEX 4K. As you can see in this video here, just showing you the amount numbers of rats, the picture quality through the scope is brilliant, absolutely crystal clear, and it is a pleasure to use. We're using it for hours on end. It's just before we get into the action, if you could ask you to like and comment on this video and let me know what you think about the video. And if you haven't already, can you subscribe to my channel? It will help a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.